Hello, people. So, as of yesterday, I downloaded the Sadhguru Exclusive App, and man, what an app it is! It's like, uh, like it's just for $100 a month, and but I took the it's 900 for a whole year sort of subscription because my I had to take that subscription, and it was just anything you watch on that app will is enlightening like nothing else. So I really have to say this, that we sometimes think that time spent listening to all these audio this that is just waste, when in fact it's not. It's like if you change your belief patterns, your life can change. So really, people, Sadhguru app it is. We really don't need anyone to recommend it, but I'm just thinking why I delayed in downloading this, in subscribing to it, because there's this whole series on one on his wife also, Vijay ma'am, and disembodied beings. So it's pretty interesting. So do try and subscribe for it. Yeah, it's called Sadhguru app exclusive, and it is brilliant. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.